Good morning all. So in today's class we will see a few more problems on ellipse. So first question will show that the locus of all points, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points is constant is an ellipse. So you are given two fixed points. So from the two fixed points, you need to select all the points xy such that the distance from xy to those fixed points, their sum will be having a constant value. So, angane set of all xy will form an ellipse. So that is what we need to show. So, here the two fixed points are going to be your foci actually. Pinna namakku kittunna set of all points xy, we have to show that they satisfy the equation of the ellipse. So this is the case. So I am denoting the foci by the points f and f dash. So I am taking the points f of c0 and f of minus c0. So I am taking these to be my fixed points. These two fixed points in the a particular distance point xy will show that its locus will give us an ellipse. So let p of xy be a point such that the sum of whose distances from two fixed points is a constant. So I'll define an equation of this form. So here the distance from P to F plus the distance from P to F dash, that will be equal to a constant. So this is the condition. Okay. This distance is constant. Condition. Now I am taking that constant to be 2a. Ellipse equation. So I am taking this to be equal to 2a, and now let me substitute the value of the distance of PF and distance of PF dash. For PF in the distance in the PF has coordinates xy and z0 and PF dash has coordinates xy and minus z0. So using the distance formula, the distance is going to be so you will get okay, this is what you are getting. So you will get root of x minus c whole square plus y square plus root of x plus c whole square plus y square, that will be equal to 2a. Now let me take the first term to the right side and square cheya. Okay. So root of x plus c whole square plus y square will be equal to 2a minus root of x minus c whole square plus y square. So upon squaring on both sides, you will get x plus c whole square plus y square equal to 4a square plus then the square you will get x minus c whole square plus y square minus 2ab formula. So minus 4a root of x minus c whole square plus y square. Now you can cancel out x square, c square and y square on both sides. So, namukku baki ivide namukku minus 2cx vare, minus 2cx left side like konduva, appo 4cx avum. So 4cx minus 4a square will be equal to minus 4a into root of x minus c whole square plus y square. Now divide throughout by 4a. So you will get cx by a minus a equal to minus root of x minus c whole square plus y square, and square again. So upon squaring you will get c square x square by a square minus 2cx plus a square equal to x minus c whole square plus y square. Then simplify the equation. A square right side like multiply cheya. So upon simplifying So you will get in this form, a square minus c square into x square plus a square y square equal to a square into a square minus c square. So divide throughout by a square into a square minus c square. So that will give you the equation in the form x square by a square plus y square by a square minus c square equal to 1. So now you can replace a square minus c square by b square. So put b square equal to a square minus c square. So that will give us the standard equation of the ellipse. So therefore the required locus will be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this is the equation of the ellipse. So therefore the locus of the point xy will be the equation of the ellipse. Next problem is prove that the length of the focal chord of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which is inclined to the major axis at an angle theta is 2a b square by a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. So you have a focal chord which is inclined to the major axis at an angle theta. So adinte length aanu namukku kandupidikkendathu. So we need to show that its length is equal to this value. So let us see how to solve the equation. So let us consider the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and the foci are going to be the points a is 0 and minus a is 0. So nammal case il edukkunna foci a is 0 il koodi pass cheyyuna focal chord aanu edukkunnathu. ഇനി നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് focal chord ന്റെ angle of inclination to the major axis. So here that is the x-axis, that is given by theta. ഇനി നമുക്ക് angle of inclination അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ then the slope of the focal chord will be tan theta. So we have got the slope of the focal chord. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ focal chord a is 0 ൽ കൂടെയാണ് പാസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് പോയിന്റും സ്ലോപ്പും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you can write down the equation of that particular line segment. Okay, so therefore the equation of focal chord will be given by y minus 0 equal to tan theta into x minus a, since it passes through the point a 0. So we will get the equation y equal to tan theta into x minus a, and now we need to find the length of the line PQ. So let us take the coordinates of P and Q to be x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. And now x1, y1 and x2, y2 ellipsile points aanu, and from the equation of the ellipse you have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So we can replace y in terms of x from this equation. So this is the condition we get from the focal chord. So therefore x square by a square plus tan square theta into x minus a whole square by b square, that will be equal to 1. So simplifying this equation, you will get x square b square plus a square tan square theta into x minus a whole square equal to a square b square. So expand x minus a whole square, expand ചെയ്തു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ you will get in this form. So this will be an equation, a quadratic equation in x. ഇനി നമ്മൾക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്, അപ്പം നമുക്ക് പിയും ക്യൂവിന്റെയും കോർഡിനേറ്റ്സ് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we can find the length of the focal chord. ഇനി ഫോക്കൽ കോഡ് എലിപ്സിനെ ഇന്റർസെക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന പോയിന്റ്സ് ആണ് P യും Q എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ദി പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ഇന്റർസെക്ഷൻ വിൽ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ദിസ് ഇക്വേഷൻ. കാരണം നമ്മൾ എലിപ്സിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഫോക്കൽ കോഡിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തു. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ കിട്ടുന്ന എക്സിന്റെ വാല്യൂസ് ആയിരിക്കും x1 ഉം x2 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന കോർഡിനേറ്റിലെ പോയിന്റ്സ് വരും. ഓക്കെ, because those are the points of intersection of focal chord with the ellipse. So this quadratic equation will have roots as x1 and x2. So the roots of the quadratic equation will be x1 and x2. Now if you have a quadratic equation of the form x square plus ax plus b, then x square minus ax plus b, then a will be the sum of the roots and b എന്ന് പറയുന്ന product of the roots ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, so the second term will be sum of the roots and this will be the product, provided the first term has coefficient 1. So x1 sum of the roots will be 2a cube e tan square theta by b square plus a square tan square theta വരും. അതുപോലെ product of roots എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x1 x2 will be a raised to 4 e square tan square theta minus a square b square by b square plus a square tan square theta. Now since you have y equal to tan theta into x minus a, this will give us a value of y1 and y2. അപ്പം y1 y2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be tan theta into x1 minus a and tan theta into x2 minus a. So from this we can obtain the value of y1 minus y2. അപ്പോൾ y1 minus y2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be equal to tan theta into x1 minus x2. So now let us find out the length of the focal chord. The length of the focal chord PQ, so that is length of PQ will be equal to root of x minus x2, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഇവിടുന്ന് y1 minus y2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് tan theta into x1 minus x2 വരും. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് ടേമിലും x1 minus x2 whole square ഉണ്ടാവും. So you can take that outside. So that is x1 minus x2 into sec theta. Now we have the values of x1 plus x2 and x1 into x2. So we can form a relation between these two and x1 minus x2. So x1 minus x2 whole square എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x1 plus x2 whole square minus 4x1 x2 ആയിരിക്കും. So using that identity you can rewrite x1 minus x2 in this form. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഈ രണ്ട് വാല്യൂസ് കൊണ്ട് അത് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. So you will get sec theta into x1 plus x2 whole square is 4a raised to 6 e square tan raised to 4 theta by b square plus a square tan square theta whole square is minus 4 x1 x2 that will be a raised to 4 e square tan square theta minus a square b square by b square plus a square tan square theta. Now taking the common denominator, b square plus a square into tan theta tan square theta multiply cheya. Okay, and simplifying the numerator, this is what you are going to get. ഇതിനകത്ത് ഈ 4a raised to 6 e square tan raised to 4 theta എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ടേം ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും, ബാക്കി 3 ടേംസ് വരും. So you will get 4a square b square into b square plus a square tan square theta minus a square e square tan square theta by b square plus a square tan square theta whole square വരും. Now we have e square equal to a square minus b square by a square. So therefore a square, okay, b square will be equal to a square minus a square into